What's up, guys? Fahrenheit Motorsports here. So today, I actually have a cool little unboxing to do. It is a set of side mirrors for the 2018 Accord. And of course, it'll work on 18, 19, 20, and on up until they change the styling of it. But these are direct fit for the Sport and for the EX. And these are going to give us LED turn signals. It does say that it has 9 lines, but we're going to open it up and see exactly what it is. And it gives you the option for folding heat and then the blinking on there as well. And of course, it's a set of 2. You guys know my car is white, so it's a set of white ones. They're still wrapped up right now in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and put the box on the floor just so I can get you guys the best view possible, set you guys up on the tripod, do a little bit of an overview. We're going to take a look at what comes in the box. And I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor. I'm going to show you guys here in 1 second who the sponsor is, their website, and how you guys can go through the process of actually ordering these if you're interested. I know you guys are, because we've been trying to, as a group, collectively figure out how we can do this modification to our cars that did not come stock with them. I know a lot of you guys are running the sports series of this car, so this is going to help you out tremendously. So let's go ahead and get these on the ground, set you guys up, and let's take a look at what comes inside the box. All right, guys, so let's take a second to thank today's sponsor, which is Topline Auto Shop. They got a fantastic little kit here. What you guys are looking at here is a LED power folding and heat function mirror that is a direct swap for the models of the 10th Gen Accord that don't have that option. Now, I have the 2018 Accord Sport. And as you guys know, mine did not come with LED mirrors. I know in the past we've talked about potentially swapping in something like this in the existing mirror. And there was no kit out there, thankfully, Topline Auto Shop does have a kit. It is plug and play. And I'll be showing you guys in the next video an in-depth install process for this particular kit. I think it's only fair that if you decide to buy this kit that you have a detailed install video showing you exactly how to do it. So in the meantime, I showed you guys the unboxing, what comes in this particular kit, and let's talk a little bit about it. So Topline Auto Shop, in this particular kit, they give you 2 side mirrors. Now these side mirrors, as I said before, they do have the LED strip in there. So when you turn on your indicator, this will flash in conjunction with the current setup that the car has. And as I mentioned before, it does have power folding mirrors. So both of these mirrors will fold in and out. You can do them on your own, or you have the option, which is programmed in automatically through this nice little setup here. But it's programmed in automatically to either fold in or fold out to the natural position anytime you turn the car on or off. So if this is something that you're interested in, I know a lot of you guys that are living in some of those large cities, parking is tight. It would be nice to have an option like this so that you don't have to worry about getting your mirrors ripped off. And what's nice is as soon as you turn the car off, the mirrors automatically fold up for you. And as soon as you unlock the vehicle, they will retract to the natural position. So in this particular kit, like I said, you get the 2 mirrors. The mirrors themselves, very high quality. It comes with the LED strip already set in place. It comes with a mirror cap with a dead-on match paint code. You guys know I have the platinum white pearl. So you can see that pearl flake in there. Looks beautiful. When I put it next to my car, it's gonna look a lot better than the current paint job that I have. Backside of it, you do have this nice seal or gasket just to make sure that you don't get any of the elements inside your car, any rain, snow, things of that nature. So you have a nice gasket set in place. And then of course, in order to mount or to take this side mirror off, you have these 3, and then this little post right here for alignment. These do come with a harness already in place inside of the mirror, and it is wrapped to prevent any sort of damage to the wire itself. Now, as you guys can see, like I mentioned, these particular side mirrors do retain the blind spot warning. So there's a little indicator right there. So as you're driving, if you come up upon something that the car senses in that radar section, it will notify you on the mirror. For those of you guys that already have that built in, you know what I'm talking about. But for those of you guys that don't have it, you know, if you don't have it already in the vehicle, the car can't retain that. So but that's something that is in there as well. And these do retain heat function. So I don't have heated mirrors. Some of you guys might have that option. Our brothers up in Canada, you guys definitely probably have heated mirrors, or in the northern states, you guys probably have that option for heated mirrors. But it does retain that option for heated mirrors. So like I said before, you do have power folding in and out. You have the LED turn signals, you retain blind spot, and then you have your heated function here. Now in the kit, you get everything that you need to make these operational. You do have your wiring harness for the left and right side, easy plug and play. You do have these 2 splicers. I would imagine that they are going to be for power. In order to make these things function, you're going to need to tap into something here. So we have those. Black wire, which is most likely the ground cable, but I will show you guys during the install. And then this secondary harness. So this, I would imagine, would probably go to this. And then you have your nice little button here. So it gives you the option to fold in and out, and of course control your left and right mirrors. Of course, like I said before, I don't have that function, so it would be nice to have that power folding. But this is what you get from Topline Auto Shop. Again, thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in a set of these, which I know that you guys are going to be, because we've talked about it before, we've talked about hacking the stock mirrors. I've had multiple requests on setting this up or getting the LED blinking function in the existing set of mirrors, this is the kit to go with. This is everything that you need for plug and play. Now you can find these on their website, which is toplineautoshop.com. And I'll put that link in the description and also put it up on this video as well. And you can find a number of parts for the 10th gen Accord as well as other manufacturers on that website. So the website is very intuitive, very easy to use. You just plug in your make and model, engine size, and even the trim in certain sections, and you'll find exactly what you're looking for here. Now, for those of you guys that are interested, you guys are going to ask, what are these available in? What color are they available in? So, of course, you have the platinum white pearl. It does come in lunar silver. It comes in the modern steel. It comes in radiant red, comes in crystal black pearl, comes in champagne frost, Kona coffee, and then obsidian blue pearl. That's what they have currently. If they plan on doing any other colors, I think there's one missing off the top of my head. I can't think of which one it is. I think it's the other blue. But I will reach out to them and see if they have any plans to get something like that set up on the website for ordering. And it should be pretty simple for them. These guys have a number of parts and they are nothing but professional. So if you guys want great customer service, a good website to order parts from, go check out toplineautoshop.com for your 10th gen Accord parts. So like I said before, I'm going to give you guys an in-depth install video on these because I think it deserves it. There's no point of doing the unboxing and then quickly doing an install and then having you guys ask a bunch of questions. Let's just get it done nice and easy so you guys know exactly how to do it for those that are interested. So I'm going to show you guys real quick on the screen a quick overview of Topline Auto Shop's website so you guys can see what it looks like, how to order these side mirrors. And if you're interested in any other parts for your 10th gen Accord or for any other maker model, check out their website. I know that they would really appreciate your business, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, you guys have comments, of course, put them down in the comment section and let's discuss it. If you guys like these mirrors, let me know down in the comment section. If you guys think this is a cool option and Topline should do other, little hacks like this to give some of the other models features that didn't come on our cars, let me know down in the comments and let's see if we can work with them to get something set up for you guys. So that's it for the overview and for the preview of the parts. Let's get into the website. Guys, so this is Topline Auto Shop's website. You can reach it by going to toplineautoshop.com. Right here, I'm searching through the 2019 Honda Accord Sport. You can choose anything from 2018 all the way up to 2020 and choose your submodel. Now in this particular search, it yielded some results here for LED lighting, for carbon fiber wing, for the power folding mirrors, for the carbon fiber shift knob, the new lip, and the carbon fiber steering wheel. Now in this particular demonstration, I'm going to show you guys the power folding mirrors because that's why you guys came here. The power folding mirrors are for the 2018 all the way up to 2020 plus, anything that's 10th generation, and they do give you the option to retain the blind spot and heated mirror functions. The mirrors, they fold in and out as mentioned before with the starting and stopping of the vehicle. You get to choose based off of your car model. So I'm a 2.0 Sport, and I chose Platinum White Pearl, which is what I have. Now you guys can see below, you do have multiple options to choose from. If you guys decide that you want to choose a different color, you can go ahead and do so down below. So if you want black mirror caps on a white car, you can do it. Different options like descriptions, reviews, payment options, they'll give you on this website. But in this case, I went ahead and clicked add to cart, and you can see once you do that, it gives you a basic overview of what you added and clarification. And that's it, guys. If you guys want to go ahead and proceed forward from there, simply just check out of the cart and you're good to go. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. What you guys think of the side mirrors? I thought they came out pretty good. The manufacturer of these did a fantastic job. Excellent quality mirrors. The paint is a dead-on match, and you know, I think the install process should be self-explanatory. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to go to toplineautoshop.com, take a look at all the products that they have, and thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. You know, I always enjoy being able to shoot videos like this to help out the general public, anybody with a Honda Accord. You know, we always go back and forth either here on YouTube or on Instagram, and it's definitely something that I enjoy. And those of you that I've helped out, you know what I'm talking about. So install video is going to be coming up real soon. You guys should see something within the next couple of days. My goal is to get it done by this weekend, so you guys can decide on your own if this is something that you guys want to pursue. And if you want to make a purchase, check out the website, see what they have available, see if they have the color in stock for you. And if everything looks good, pull the trigger, and let's be some of the only Accords to make this modification and swap over. So until then, much appreciated. I always appreciate you guys stopping by, watching the videos. It's been pretty hectic having a kid and not being able to crank out videos as much as I like, but you guys know how it is, those of you guys that have kids. But that does not mean that we're going to stop. We always have things in the works for you guys that have subscribed to the channel. So much appreciated. Love you guys, and appreciate you guys for watching. That's all I have for you guys today. This is Fahrenheit Motorsports. Take it easy.